It's a little illegal to leave the wood in the street. So what I'm asking is...
I mean, you don't have to ask me, and I don't take no orders from no woman, by the way.
So you were saying that you were going back to clean up the wood?
Yes. Oh, yes. I'm Mr. Cleanup. Okay. I'm not Mr. Clean. I'm Mr. Clean Up.
Well, somebody said that...
I live in Warren, and I'm cleaning up Detroit. Go figure that one out.
But somebody said that they tried to yell at you to come back, and you kept going. And
it must have been a woman, and I don't listen to women yelling. I tell them to shut up. I lift them all by myself with nobody else's help. Old guys, disabled guys, black guys, white guys, Polish guys, Ukrainian guys, and guys from Mars also.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
From Mars?
From Mars, yeah, that's where I'm from. See, my mom bought me pants that were 10 sizes too big for me, so I put my belt on as far as it would go. Then I went outside as a nice Warren resident. Tell him I'm very sorry and I'm coming to pick it up. It was a pure accident that my rear tires hit the curb and dislodged a few trunks, which I'm going to pick up, and I am so sorry.